There's a number of essential elements that they needed to prove on this. One, that there was a lawful order, and two, that there was a proper order to disperse. I don't think the people proved, and obviously the judge did not think that the people proved beyond a reasonable doubt that there was a lawful order or there was an order to disperse, especially while Mr. Carter was there. This was a protest. He has his constitutional rights to do so, and we believe that that was the correct case.
So you kind of alluded to it in there when you were cross-examining the sergeant, but why do you think this case was brought? There were other people there who weren't arrested.
Look, I'll leave that for better people than me, but I think there were many reasons why this was brought, and I think I don't think all of them were the right reasons. Let me put it to you that way.
If I can comment on that, Diane Davis's family did show up for court today. They understand that Diane Davis was involved in an accident that happened during that protest, right? And that the events leading up to that are very important to her case as well. And to say that the protest was properly secured, to say that there was a lawful order, and then to be able to make arrests and then prove that as well would be a slam dunk case for their prosecution. But because none of that happens, they can't prove that Diane Davis was out there and that she was driving into the police officer.
Because it was minutes later.
It was minutes
right
later.
at this location.
It was very quick. Look,
yeah.
These guys have a tough job, right? So a very volatile situation, but there's constitutional rights and the troopers have a tough job. We all know that. We all understand that. We have done tough jobs as tough lives as lawyers, and we have tough jobs as people protesting. But it's a constitutional right. This was just a bad situation that, unfortunately, I think went the wrong way.
What do you think about when the judge said she was throwing it out? What did you think?
I was happy that she saw things the right way, honestly. I didn't understand why we're going through this for so long. It's going on 2 years now. Buffalo police originally dropped the charges because they realized, I believe, that they didn't have a case. And like Mr. LoTempio said, they filed the charges 56 days later. And that's striking. And they didn't offer any type of plea deal. They didn't offer any type of ACD or anything along those lines. They wanted to come to trial for that. So I didn't really understand what was going on specifically because I kind of felt like I was being targeted.
But we're happy.
They were happy, for sure.